Thinking about hosting your website with HostGator, but not sure which plan is right for you? In this video, I'll walk you through HostGator's pricing and plans, breaking it down so you know exactly what you're getting, without the confusion. Also providing you with an exclusive HostGator hosting discount, getting you up to 76% off, plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the HostGator web hosting discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from HostGator at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome HostGator discount. Let's get started with the HostGator plans review. HostGator is one of the most popular web hosting companies around, known for affordable prices, beginner-friendly tools, and reliable uptime. They offer shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, and even dedicated servers. But for most beginners, the shared hosting plans are the most popular, so let's start there. HostGator shared hosting has 4 main tiers: Hatchling, Baby, Business, and Pro. Hatchling plan, this is the entry-level plan. It's the cheapest option, and you can host 10 websites, 10 gigabytes SSD storage. It's ideal for 40,000 visits a month and 24/7 chat support. Baby plan, perfect for multiple sites. You can host 20 websites, 20 gigabytes SSD storage. It's ideal for 50,000 visits a month and 24/7 phone and chat support. Business plan, ideal for multiple sites needing storage, security, plus backups. You can host 50 websites, 50 gigabytes SSD storage, ideal for 200,000 visits a month, malware detection, removal, domain privacy free for the first year, and 24/7 phone and chat support. Pro plan offers more speed and processing power. You can host 100 websites, 100 gigabytes SSD storage, ideal for 400,000 visits a month, and offers all the features the business plan comes with. And the best part is, no matter which shared hosting plan you choose, Hatchling, Baby, Business, or Pro, they all come loaded with features to help you build and secure your website. Here's what you get with every plan: a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free, a free domain name for the first year, a free site migration tool if you're moving from another host, free Cloudflare CDN with Argo routing for faster site performance, managed WordPress updates so your site stays up to date, free SSL certificates for secure browsing, free malware scanning, a web application firewall, and built-in DDoS protection for added security. The Yoast SEO plugin free version is included to help optimize your site. A pro email free trial and creative mail email marketing integration. Performance boosters like static content caching and object caching. Developer-friendly tools like SSH Access and WP CLI. And even a WordPress staging site so you can test changes before going live. So no matter which plan you pick, you're getting a powerful hosting package with all of these included. Now let's talk pricing. HostGator's prices depend on how long you sign up for. The longer the term, the cheaper it gets. Hatchling runs as low as $2.99 per month if you commit to 36 months. Baby runs as low as $3.99 per month with a 36-month term. Business runs as low as $5.49 per month on a 36-month term. Pro runs as low as $13.95 per month on a 36-month term. Keep in mind, these are promotional prices for the first term. When it renews, the cost will go up, so always check the renewal rates. Now here's something really important to understand about HostGator's pricing. The low prices you see, like $2.99 a month, are based on signing up for the longest term, which is 36 months. That means you'll pay upfront for 3 years of hosting, but it gives you the best overall discount. If you don't want to commit that long, HostGator also offers a 1-year and monthly term, but the monthly cost will be a little higher. The monthly term is the most expensive way to go and usually doesn't make sense unless you're just testing things out short term. You also don't receive a free domain name with the monthly term, so the main takeaway is the longer the term you choose, the cheaper your monthly rate will be. If you're building on WordPress, HostGator also offers WordPress hosting plans. These are optimized for speed and security and start as low as $3.99 per month depending on the plan you choose. They include automatic updates, built-in caching, and extra performance for WordPress sites. For more advanced users, HostGator also provides VPS hosting starting at just $34.99 a month, and dedicated servers starting as low as $141.19 a month. These are for bigger projects or high-traffic sites that need more power and control. If you're just starting out with one website, go with the Hatchling plan. If you want room to grow or run multiple sites, the Baby plan is the sweet spot. If you're running a small business that needs security and more storage, the business plan is worth it. And if you're running a big WordPress site, go for the WordPress hosting option. So that's the breakdown of HostGator's pricing and plans. Hopefully, this makes it easier for you to pick the right one. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more web hosting tutorials. I provide a link to HostGator in the description where you get an exclusive HostGator discount. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.